in arithmetic is permutations and combinations. It is very important for all competitive exams and placement selections also. In this video, I want to explain about what is a permutation and what is a combination and what are the different applications in real life. And another important topic is probability. That probability depends upon this combinations topic. Before going to discuss about the permutations and combinations, you should know about a factorial. In this video, I want to explain about what is a factorial and how to calculate a factorial and questions like in how many ways the letters of the word can be arranged. In that word, the letters may be repeated or may not be repeated. Two cases. Letters are repeated and letters are not repeated. Actually, permutations and combinations of concepts and techniques are used for counting purpose. Direct counting is difficult in many cases. In those cases, we will use this concept, that is permutations and combinations. For example, there are three bus stations. Suppose S1, S2 and S3. There are three bus stations. How many different tickets must be printed so as to a passenger travels from any place to any other place? How many different types of tickets must be printed? See, normal method, from station 1 to station 2, that is one ticket, and station 2 to station 3, that is second, another ticket, and from station 1 to station 3 directly, and that is third type of ticket. So, one type, second type and third type. Three types of tickets must be printed, but in one direction, from station 1 to station 3, and from station 3 to station 1, S3 to S2 and S2 to S1 and S3 to S1. There are another three types of tickets. So, in this way, three types of tickets, and in this way another three types of tickets. So, total how many types of tickets? 6 types of tickets. This is a normal method. By using permutations concept also, we can calculate a number of different types of tickets. For suppose there are 10 stations in between two stations. For suppose a bus travelling from Bhimavaram to Hyderabad. In between Bhimavaram and Hyderabad there are 10 stations. Including Bhimavaram and Hyderabad, totally how many stations? 12 stations. So, how many different types of tickets must be printed in that case? There are 12 cases. There are 12 stations. That is difficult. So, in that case, we will use a permutations concept. I will explain about this permutations and combinations concept very clearly in part 2 of this topic. In this video, I want to explain what is a factorial. This is a very important when you are going to practice permutations and combinations topic. Now see, what is meant by a factorial? Suppose n factorial. See here, this symbol is for factorial, n factorial. N factorial equal to 1 into, 2 into, 3 into and so on, n minus 1 into n. N factorial equal to 1 into, 2 into, 3 into and so on up to n. The multiplication of consecutive numbers. The product of consecutive numbers from 1 to n is called n factorial. We can write like this also, n into, n minus 1 into, n minus 2 into and so on, 2 into 1. Both are same, from 1 to n or n to 1. Here multiplication is there. This is n factorial. Now see, n factorial is equal to, we can write n into n minus 1 factorial. See, n into n minus 1 factorial. Again we can write this n minus 1 factorial like n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, like that. Now 2 factorial equal to how much? 2 factorial 1 into 2, or we may write 2 into 1, both are same. So final result is 2. Now see 3 factorial. 3 factorial equal to 3 into 2 into 1, or 1 into 2 into 3. So what is the result? 6. Now 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or 4 into 3 factorial. We can write like this. See here, n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Like that 4 into 3 factorial. So what is the result of 3 factorial? 6 here. 4 into 6 equal to how much? 24. Now 5 factorial. 5 factorial equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 up to 1. So 5 into, we can write 4 factorial. So 5 into 24 equal to 120. 6 factorial. 6 into 5 factorial, or 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 into 5 factorial. So 6 into, what is value of 5 factorial? 120. That equal to 720. You have to remember these values from 2 factorial to 6 factorial. And remember this 1 factorial equal to how much? 1 factorial equal to 1. This is very important. 1 factorial equal to 1. And what about 0 factorial? 0 factorial is also equal to 1. This is very, very important. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Remember that. Please note this point. 1 factorial equal to 1, and another point is 0 factorial is equal to 1. Now see questions related to factorial. Find how many ways the letters of the word can be arranged. Here arrangement. Arrangement is nothing but permutations. I'll explain clearly in part 2. But here arrangement means directly we can use a factorial. Find how many ways the letters of the word can be arranged. What is the first word? Car. How many letters are present in this car? 3 letters. In how many ways the letters of the word can be arranged? See, C-A-R as it is. This is first arrangement. And second arrangement C-R-A, A-C-R, and A-R-C. Next R-A-C. Next one is R-C-A. See how many types? 6 ways, 6 possible ways. We can arrange these 3 letters in 6 possible ways. 6 ways. These words may not be meaningful words. In this word, there are only 3 letters. That's why I used normal method, and there are 6 ways. First, suppose this is second one. My name, that is Surekha. How many letters are present in this word? S-U-R-E-K-H-A. Total 7 letters. In this name there are 7 letters. How many ways the letters of this word can be arranged? Now to write like this, that is difficult because there are 7 letters. In this case, directly use factorial. See, 7 letters are there, simply 7 factorial is the result. We can form 7 factorial words. We can arrange the letters of the word in 7 factorial ways. Like that, here there are 3 letters, so number of letters factorial, 3 factorial. What is the result of 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1. So result is 6. So 6 ways. We can form 6 different types of words by using the letters of this word. Now see third one, rice. What is the word? Rice. How many letters are there? 4 letters. So 4 factorial ways. We can arrange the letters of this word in 4 factorial ways. 4 factorial result is 24. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Next, fourth question is for your practice, that is walk. Write your answer in comment section. Next, fifth one is study. What is the word? Study. How many letters are present in this study word? 5. So, we can form 5 factorial words from this study word. Okay. If you observe 5 questions, sub questions from this first question, no letter is repeated in any word. See, car, C is only one time, A is only one time, R is only one time. And in this name, each and every letter is one time. And rice, only one time. R one time, I one time, C one time and E one time. So, these are non-repeated letters category. Okay, non-repeated letters category. Now coming to repeated letters category. See second question. Find how many ways the letters of the word can be arranged. Repeated letters category. For suppose, see, dad. How many letters are there? 3 letters. But how many letters are repeated here? Only one letter is repeated. How many times repeated? 2 times repeated. In this case, see normal procedure. As it is dad and next D, D, A, next one. And next one is A, D, D. Okay. We can make only 3 words from this word. How many words? 3 words. Not 6 words. Because here the one letter is repeated. In this case, simply count the number of letters in this word. How many letters? 3 letters. So directly write a 3 factorial at the numerator. And check which letter is repeated and how many times. D is repeated. How many times repeated? 2 times is repeated. So 2 factorial. This 2 factorial is for letter D because this is repeated how many times? 2 times. 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So we can write this 3 factorial as 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. 2 factorial and 2 factorial gets cancelled. So result is 3. This is a normal procedure and this is by using a factorial. Arrangement means directly use a factorial. Now see next one, brother. What is the word? Brother. How many letters present in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So directly write a 7 factorial and search for repeated letters. Here are repeated. How many times repeated? 2 times repeated. So 2 factorial. 7 factorial by 2 factorial. This is for the letter R. And next one is food. 4 letters. 4 factorial and O repeated 2 times. So 2 factorial. 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Do simplification. 4 factorial means 24 by 2 factorial means 2. 24 by 2 is 12. Next one is subscribe. What is the word? Subscribe. If you like the way of explanation, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos. See here, subscribe word. How many letters are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, directly write 9 factorial at numerator. Now, check for repeated letters. Here S repeated. How many times? 2 times. So, directly write 2 factorial at denominator. And another letter is also repeated, that is B. B and B. How many times repeated? 2 times repeated. So, again 2 factorial. This 2 factorial is for S and this 2 factorial is for B. 9 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial is the result. And next one. Independence. What is the next word? Independence. INDEPENDENCE. D-E-N-C, independence. How many letters are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Simply write to 12 factorial at the numerator and check for repeated letters. Repeated letters are D repeated 1, 2, 2 factorial. N repeated 1, 2, 2 factorial. Sorry, 1, 2 and 3, 3 factorial. And next E also repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times repeated, 4 factorial. 12 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. This 2 factorial is for D because letter D present 2 times in independence word, and 3 factorial for N, and 4 factorial is for letter E. So final answer is 12 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Next word is for your practice and write your answer in comment section. Mississippi. What is the question? Find how many ways the letters of the word can be arranged. What is the word? Mississippi. In this word also there are repeated letters. Write your answer in comment section. Now see third question. In how many ways the letters of the word introduce? What is the word? Introduce. Can be arranged. So that there are 3 sub questions. For suppose, in how many ways the letters of the word introduce can be arranged? The question is up to here. Then what will be the answer? See how many letters are present in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters are there. Any letter repeated? No, not repeated. So simply answer is 9 factorial. But here there are some conditions. What is the sub question? All the vowels come together. All the vowels come together. First of all, write all vowels present in this introduced word. I, O, U, E. I, O, U, E. These are vowels present in this word, introduce. So take it is 1 unit. Because all the vowels come together. Then write the remaining letters here. N, T, R, D and C. We can place this unit here or here or here, here, here or here. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 places are there. We can place this entire unit in any one of these 6 places. Okay, there are 6 possible ways to place this entire unit. I, O, U, E. So 6 factorial into, and see here in this unit how many letters are present? 4 letters are present. Among these 4 letters there may be interchanged. O, I, U, E or E, I, O, U. Placements of these letters may be changed. In that case also all vowels come together. So 4 factorial ways. These 4 letters can be arranged themselves in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So final result is 6 factorial into 4 factorial. And here trick is, first of all write all vowels here. Treat this is 1 unit. And count remaining letters. This is 1 unit and count remaining letters. What are the remaining letters? N, T, R, D, C. How many letters are there? 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters plus this is 1 unit. So 6. 6 factorial. Simply directly write 6 factorial. And these 4 letters arranged themselves in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So final result is 6 factorial into 4 factorial. In exams, no need to write like this. Simply count like 1 unit and count remaining letters, add this 1 to that count, then factorial into 4 factorial. Now see second sub question. All consonants are come together. All consonants. Now write consonants at one place. N, T, R, D and C. Treat this is a one unit. And count remaining letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 factorial into this is one unit. In this one unit, how many letters are there? 5 letters. These 5 letters can be arranged themselves in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Next, see third sub question. No two consonants come together. So, first of all, write vowels I, O, U, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many blanks are there? 5 blanks are there. How many consonants are there? N, T, R, D, C. 5 consonants. We can place these 5 consonants in these 5 blanks in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. And I, O, U, E. There are 4 letters. These 4 letters may be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So result is a 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Here there are 5 consonants and 5 blanks. So simply I have written 5 factorial. First suppose there are 5 consonants or 6 consonants. For suppose there are 6 consonants. But here places are only 5. Then what will be happen? We can't write directly 5 factorial, 6 factorial because here elements are different from number of places. 6 consonants are there but here 5 blanks are there. Then in that case you should write 6p5. Permutations concept. This is also permutation. But without writing this p concept directly, I have written 5 factorial because blanks and number of consonants both are same. See here 5p5. The meaning of 5 factorial is a 5p5. From number of elements, 5 elements, 5 elements are placed in 5 blanks. So 5p5 that is equal to 5 factorial only. I will explain the permutations concept in detail in part 2. Now see fourth question. In how many ways the letters of the word arrange? What is the word? Arrange. The letters of the word arrange can be arranged so that first sub question is 2 R's come together. 2 R's come together. How many R's present here? 2 R's. 2 R's come together means treat these 2 R's like one unit. Yes or no? One unit. Here third question, first one, and here fourth question, first one, both are same. But in third question introduce is non-repeated letters word, but here arrange is a repeated letters word. What are the repeated letters here? A is repeated and R is repeated. See the difference in between third and fourth question. Arrange 2 R's treat as one unit. Then remaining letters, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters plus 1 unit. So 6 letters, 6 factorial ways. We can arrange in 6 factorial ways. In these 5 letters, A is repeated. How many times repeated? 2 times repeated. So at denominator, write 2 factorial. This 2 factorial is for letter A into. Here see 2 R's is 1 unit. These 2 R's arranged themselves in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. Okay. And both are same. So at Denominator 2 factorial is there. 2 factorial gets cancelled. So final result is 6 factorial by 2 factorial. 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 gets cancelled. Then 6 into 5 means 30. 30 into 12 is 360. Result is 360. Now see second sub question. Begin with A and end with A. Begin with A and end with A. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining letters, 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally there are 7 letters. A is a fixed and here A is a fixed. Begin and ending places there is A and remaining 5 blanks and remaining letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 letters can be arranged in these 5 places is 5 factorial ways. That means 5 to 5 in 5 factorial ways. And here 2 A's are there at starting and ending. These 2 A's may be interchanged. This A is different from this A because of arrangements. Order is very important here. Okay, there are 2 roses, different roses. Here 1 rose and here 1 rose. I want to interchange these 2 roses. In how many ways? 2 factorial ways. 2 factorial. And in this arrangement, A's, these A's are repeated. Repeated means by 2 factorial. And see here, I have written only 5 factorial. This is wrong. 5 factorial by. See, R, letter R is repeated. How many times? 2 times. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial. This is for letter R and this is for letter A. So 2 factorial gets cancelled. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial is the result. Now see third sub question in fourth question. The relative positions of vowels and consonants are not disturbed. Relative positions means here at first position, what is the letter? A. A is vowel. So at first place vowel, and second place consonant, third place consonant, next place vowel and consonant and vowel. These are relative places, relative positions. So here vowels A and A, E. This is one possible way. I may write E here, E, A, or I may write A, E, A. There are different possible ways. This is one of the possible ways. Vowels are fixed and the remaining blanks 1, 2, 3, 4. How many blanks? 4 blanks. In these 4 blanks, what are the letters? Consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 consonants placed in these 4 blanks in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. Because R, N, G or N, G, R or G, N, R like that. 4 factorial ways. In these 4 letters, letter is repeated. R is repeated. How many times? 2 times. So at denominator write 2 factorial. This is for letter R. Now coming to vowels A, E. 3 vowels and 3 places. We can arrange in 3 factorial ways. By in these 3 vowels, A is repeated. How many times? 2 times. So by 2 factorial. Now simplify this. 4 factorial means 24 into 3 factorial means 6 by 2 factorial means 2 again 2 factorial means 2. Then 4 cancelled in how many times? 6 times. 4 6 are 24. Then 6 6 36. Final result is 36. I hope you understand all these questions very clearly. Still, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And try to practice questions and write your answers in comment section. If you want to give any suggestions to me, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.